Hello everyone and welcome to Pinoy Tech Tips. Want to know who's calling without even looking at your phone? In this video, I'll show you how to assign a custom ringtone and call vibration pattern to a specific contact on your Samsung Galaxy S26. It's a simple customization that helps you recognize important callers instantly and personalize your calling experience. Let's get started. First, swipe up from the bottom of the home screen to open the apps tray. Look for the phone app, then tap it. If you're not already there, tap the Contacts tab to view your saved contacts. Next, find and select the contact you'd like to customize. Once the contact is open, tap the info icon or the letter I. This opens the contact details screen. At the bottom, you'll see a floating toolbar. Tap the More icon, represented by the three dots at the bottom right corner. Then select Change Ringtone or Vibration. To assign a custom ringtone, tap Ringtone. By default, the system ringtone is selected. Below it, you'll see a list of available ringtones that you can use specifically for this contact. Scroll through the list and tap any ringtone you'd like to use. Each ringtone plays a preview automatically, making it easier to find the one you like best. If you prefer to use a downloaded ringtone or your own audio file, tap the plus icon at the top right corner. This opens the sound picker. Here you'll see audio files saved on your device. You can browse through albums, artists, or folders to locate the file you want to use. Once you've found it, tap the audio file to select it. Then tap Done in the upper right corner to save your changes. The new ringtone is now assigned to that contact. All other contacts will continue using the default ringtone you've set in your phone's sound settings. Now, let's set a custom call vibration pattern. Go back to the contact details screen. We'll use the same contact for this example. Tap the More icon or the three dots on the floating toolbar. Then select Change Ringtone or Vibration once again. This time, tap Call Vibration. You'll see that the default vibration pattern is currently selected. To change it, simply scroll through the available vibration patterns. Tap the one you'd like to use for this contact. Your phone will play a vibration preview each time you select a pattern so you can easily compare them. Once you've chosen your preferred pattern, the change is saved automatically. This vibration setting only applies to the selected contact. All your other contacts will continue using the default call vibration pattern configured on your Galaxy S26. You can repeat these same steps anytime if you'd like to assign a different ringtone or vibration pattern to another contact. And that's all there is to this guide. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you found this video helpful. Also, consider watching our other videos for more useful smartphone tips, tricks, and troubleshooting guides. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more videos like this.